Learning to use the potty is a big step. Let's cheer for Bean as he practices and learns with Ms. Rachel helping him along the way. Ms. Rachel, potty time with Bean. Hi, friend. I heard you will be learning to use the potty. Wow, that's exciting. This is a potty. Kids go pee and poop in the potty. It's like the toilet that grown-ups use but smaller. It's just your size. I have another friend who is learning to use the potty too. Do you want to meet him? This is my friend Bean. He's 2 years old. Hi, Bean. Peekaboo. Hi, friends. This is Bean's special potty. He likes to sit on it. He has his favourite books next to his potty. I like my potty. I have books. Bean is going to tell me when he has a pee feeling or a poop feeling inside his body. I'll be with you to help you. I see that Bean is starting to pee. I tell him, Bean, you are peeing on the floor. Pee goes in the potty. Bean has some accidents. Accidents happen when we learn new things. I am proud of Bean. He keeps trying. It takes practice. I can do it. I say to Bean, you are wiggling. It looks like you might need to pee. I tell him, this is the pee feeling, Bean. When we have the pee feeling, we go to the potty. Bean sits on the potty. Bean pees into the potty. Bean feels so proud, he sings a song. I did it! I did it! I went pee on the potty. Bean dumps his pee into the big toilet all by himself. Great job, Bean! Pee is liquid that we don't need anymore. Bean flushes the toilet. What is next? Do you know? Bye-bye, pee. Wash hands. Bean washes his hands and sings a hand-washing song. Tops and bottoms, in between, in between. Scrub them all together, now they're clean, squeaky clean. Our body tells us things like when we are hungry, thirsty, or have to go to the potty. Can I have a snack, please? I'm hungry. Yes. I want to play with cars now. Vroom, vroom. Beep, beep. Our body even tells us what we want to play. Bean gets the poop feeling. Bean looks like he is pushing. I say to him, Bean, you look like you are starting to poop. Poop goes in the potty. Bean walks to the potty. Bean sits on the potty. Bean poops into the potty. He dumps the poop into the big potty. Poop is waste we don't need anymore. Bye-bye, poop. Time to flush and wash. Hooray! Bean picks out special underwear. Do you think he wants the car underwear or the dinosaur underwear? He picks the car underwear. Cars are his favourite. How does Bean feel? He feels proud that he is learning to use the potty. It feels so great to let pee and poop out on the potty. I am proud of Bean. I am proud of you too. Bean is learning to use the potty. Sometimes he has accidents, and that's okay. Practicing helps us get better each time. Washing hands after the potty helps us stay healthy. Do you have a favourite song to sing while washing your hands?